The Mac Mini M5 is generating significant buzz in the tech community as Apple enthusiasts eagerly anticipate the next iteration of this compact powerhouse. Building upon the success of its predecessors, the M5 Mac Mini is expected to deliver enhanced performance, improved graphics capabilities, and increased storage options, all while maintaining its sleek and minimalist design. Anticipated features of the Mac Mini M5. 1. Enhanced Apple Silicon performance. At the heart of the Mac Mini M5 lies Apple's next-generation M5 chip, which is rumored to offer substantial improvements over the M4. The M5 is expected to feature a 12-core GPU, providing smoother graphics rendering and better performance for tasks such as video editing, 3D modeling, and gaming. The M5 Pro variant may elevate this to 18 GPU cores, catering to professionals who require higher graphical performance. 2. Improved CPU efficiency. While the CPU core count is anticipated to remain similar, the M5 Pro could see enhancements in its performance cores, resulting in faster multitasking and better overall processing speeds. These improvements aim to position the Mac Mini M5 as a versatile and powerful desktop solution for both casual users and professionals. 3. Expanded memory and storage options. The Mac Mini M5 is expected to maintain the same RAM configurations as its predecessor, with 16 GB for the base model and 24 GB for the Pro variant. However, storage options are likely to see a significant upgrade. Base model, starting with 512 GB of storage, doubling the capacity of the M4 base model. Pro variant, beginning at 1 TB, catering to professionals who require ample space for large files and intensive applications. Geeky gadgets. These enhancements are particularly beneficial for creative professionals who rely on high-performance storage for their workflows. Geeky gadgets. 4. Consistent design with modern connectivity. Apple is known for its commitment to design consistency, and the Mac Mini M5 is expected to retain the sleek and minimalist aesthetic of its predecessor. The compact form factor makes it an ideal choice for users with limited desk space or those seeking a clutter-free workspace. In terms of connectivity, the Mac Mini M5 is anticipated to feature Thunderbolt ports, providing high-speed data transfer and support for external displays. USB-C ports, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of peripherals. HDMI port, allowing easy connection to monitors and TVs. Ethernet port, offering reliable wired internet connectivity. These ports ensure that users can seamlessly integrate the Mac Mini M5 into their existing setups. Release timeline and market expectations. The release of the Mac Mini M5 is widely anticipated to occur in late 2025, potentially in November or early 2026, between January and February. Reports suggest that production of the M5 chips is already underway, aligning with Apple's typical development and release cycles. However, Apple has occasionally skipped chip updates for certain devices, leaving some uncertainty about the exact timeline. Based on current leaks and production reports, there is a 70% likelihood that the M5 Mac Mini will debut within this timeframe. Projected pricing. Apple is expected to maintain its current pricing strategy for the M5 Mac Mini, making sure it remains competitive and accessible to a broad audience. The projected pricing is as follows. M5 base model, likely to start at $599, continuing to serve as an affordable entry-level option for users seeking a compact desktop solution. M5 Pro model, estimated at $1,399, with additional costs for configurations offering higher RAM and storage capacities. This pricing approach ensures that users can tailor their Mac Mini to meet their specific needs without facing significant price increases. Conclusion. The Mac Mini M5 is poised to be a significant upgrade in Apple's compact desktop lineup, offering enhanced performance, improved graphics capabilities, and increased storage options. While the exact release date remains uncertain, the anticipated features and improvements make the Mac Mini M5 a highly awaited product among Apple enthusiasts and professionals alike. As we approach the expected release window, more information is likely to emerge, providing a clearer picture of what the Mac Mini M5 will offer. For now, users can look forward to a powerful and versatile desktop solution that continues Apple's tradition of innovation and design excellence.